What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Case. We are back for another video. Yeah, I'm out in Torrance, so yeah, let's go check out the Nike Outlet. I just realized I don't think I've been here for several months. Okay, all right, let's see what they got. One of the smaller Nike outlets. Okay, they are hiring. Okay, if you need to hire, or if you need a job, I mean, go ahead and hit them up. All right, yeah, 20% off the hash one. Let's go look around. All right, we're gonna start with the clearance section. Look at the slides right here, though. Every one of them's opened up. What the hell? What's going on here? All right, let's go check out this section right here. Starting with the size 8s. Look, like they have freaking slides left and right. Bronco slides right here. It doesn't even say Broncos on them or nothing. Freaking $10. $10? I don't think these are the right ones. Yeah, usually the teams are listed on there. Like this one right here, it says Cowboys. These are size 8. These are the Cowboys ones right here. They just slipped out through the back. Wish I had the camera going. Yeah, these are the size 8s right here. These are regular price though. Alright, I took a few minutes to go through the size 7s. They did not have any 7 Cowboys. I know someone who would want one. What ISPAs are these? What the heck? ISPAs be expensive as well. $225 for these? They do not look that special. What the heck? That looks like something a caveman would wear. $225 size 7.5 men's. Go Flyes. We're seeing these on sale. Size 8 for $90. Remember, you do get 20 off of that. $120 for the Air Max 2017s. Infinity Run Flyknits. Go for $130. Got some LeBron lows. The 18 lows right here. Go for $119.99. Air Force Ones. Air Force One low all black 8.5. To get these for 20% off, that's pretty dope. KD 14s, we've been seeing 15s at outlets. No price tag on that one. 8.5 Oklahomas right there. Got some Pegasus Oklahomas. Retail $130. Air Max 90s. Dang, okay. Regular price. Size 9. Witness 5s going for $95. Size 9 LeBron lows, regular price. Series mids right here, 9.5, go for $70. Solid price, especially with the discount. Some boots, some Air Force One boots go for $180. These look rugged as hell. Holy cow! $170 for these bad boys. 9.5. Size 10 Air DeSchultz. Some ACG sandals. Not even slides, but sandals. Okay, going for $80. I don't know what made me realize this, but I was like, wait, I just walked by the heat wall. Or actually I went through the other side, but I didn't notice there's a heat wall. What the heck? Okay. Unfortunately, not 20% off though. But okay, got a couple of Union Dunks, even the slides. Okay. Almost got these for 20% off at Westlake. What, last week? This is size 13. Okay. Yeah, but it is full retail. Grade school 6Y on these. Desert Elephants, is that what they call them? Jordan 6 University Blues go for retail. This is a size 5. Size 6 of these bad boys. The faux alligator skin. And then got some highs. These are grade school. And then some mids right there. These are men's 11. Okay. And then the Unions, crazy size 11 for these are what, a size 5, and then 9.5 for the I was gonna call them the Dunks, the Cortez. Crazy things, look at these Dunks right here. Look at these Dunks right here, huh? Times have changed, size 11. And then another pair right here, size 7Y right there. Wow. Alright, so this is the first side right here. Times sure have changed, man. Then the second side right here, that's way more surprising with just those two right there. Okay. Alright, back to the size, what, 10.5, 11? Is that where we're at? I don't know why I just remembered that all of a sudden. LeBron lows has 10.5, $130, $230 for these bad boys right here, $170 for the breads. All kinds of LeBrons, $170 for these. Then 11, size 11 retail for these. I don't remember the price for this one. $230 maybe? I don't remember. Dude, got some Kyrie size 11, $140 retail for those. Oh wait, I missed these LeBron Palmers. Got the LeBron 9 LeBron blah, blah. Got the 9 LeBron. Got the LeBron 9 LeBron Palmers going for 150 right there. Size 12 Blazers, regular price. I like the look of those. Ton of LeBrons, all different colorway too. 170 for these size 12. These are some Kyrie 5 lows. Kyrie 5 lows look exactly like the Kyrie Infinites now. I like the look of these. And I like that color too. That color is really dope on those. $110, 12 and a half. And to get that extra 20% off, that's 120 retail. And then yeah, that's dope. Got some Kyrie Infinities going for 130. Just slightly bit, just the slightest amount taller. Not too much of a difference. Nike Defy All Days, the fake Monarchs going for $20. So what is that? 16 after the discount. That's crazy. Size 13 right there. Size 14. Got these Air Max 90s look kind of crazy. $180 for those. Got some Air Force Ones in the size 14, 110. Air Max 97s right here. Size 15, 185. Zion size 14. Zion's 2s, 120. I think my Zion 2 should be home right now. And then they got these Vaporfly Next Percents 120, 120. Okay. Size 14, no discounts, man. I thought they'd get something. Dang, dude. All right, let's go check out the aisles. So now we're checking out the aisles. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. That color looks different than on real life. Air Max APs. Full length Air Max unit. Okay. Air Max 2090s. Another one of those. Quite a few of those. Air Force One highs. It's extra high, dang. Space Hippies. 270s. Air Flight 89s. Another Air Max 2017s right here. These are the Fly E's. Go for $90. Only smaller sizes though. Size 7.5 and below. Hirachis, Tailwinds, Waffle Trainer 2s, and some alley-oops right here. Then of course gotta have a ton of LeBron, especially the Witness. Then got the LeBron 19s, Lakers colorway, Soldier 14s. And this one been at the outlet since day one, I swear. More Witness 5s. Another one of those. No clue what colorway this is for the LeBrons. I don't know if you guys know, even on the outsole right there, that's a little mini LeBron symbols. I thought that was pretty interesting. Talked about that a while back, but you could also see the fly wire underneath. A lot of technology involved in this one. A lot of technology. Look at that huge zoom airbag up front. I love the tech on it. I'll get one eventually. Maybe if I can find one on sale. I should have bought one at Nike.com, but I was kind of broke. My bad. Jordan Access. I don't know why I'm apologizing for being broke at the time. Flytrap 4s, Flytrap 5s, and another one of the 4s right here. React Miler 2s. Seeing the price go down on these, that's dope. Zoomfly 4s if you need some racing shoes. Another colorway of that. Pegasus 37s. Vomero 16s. Okay, kind of like the React Milers, but better upper. Pegasus Trail 2s. Then the Wild Horse 7s. These are the budget trail running shoes or trail walking. Then got, man, why am I wasting my time on these? Like I said, got another Pegasus 37 right there. Checking out the women's section. I didn't see Jack in the clearance. 270 Reacts. Got so many, takes up 2 different displays. Invincible Run Flyknits, that's actually a really good price, under $100 after a discount. Air Max 97s, going for way too much. Air Force One Shadows, okay. Got a bunch of different materials on it. Okay. I don't know about the colors though. Air Max 90 Futuras. Ooh, I'm not digging that one. Air Max Terrascape 90s. Alright. Daybreaks, Benassi Slide. And then they got stuff like this. The Future Runners, Revolution 6s. Alright, I guess we're checking out the kids now. Air Max 270 Extremes. Anything with the extreme pretty much means no laces. LeBron 18s. Air More Up Tempos. Cortez right here. That's pretty good price. Air Force One Craters. Guess recycled. Oh, this is hella light. Oh my goodness, that is super light. Regular Air Force Ones, super heavy. Highs right here. Some knits, and kind of like a recycled recycled midsole, but way heavier than the other one. Okay. And then that's it. And then I am checking the preschool stuff right here because I need to buy a present. Yeah, nothing. I'm gonna have to go to the malls for that fool. Dang it. Wearing some Jordan 1 lows. These are women's actually. They're alright. Not the greatest leather, but pretty soft. And then PSG shorts, tank top. It's hot. Alright, let's go look at apparel. I think I'm gonna go look at the kids' apparel, see if I can find a birthday present thingy, and then maybe men's apparel, 20% off clearance. Normally $35 for these shorts, down to $20. Okay. Dang, not really seeing much in sales for kids. Just like the really small kids right here. And boys medium, these go for $25. You do get 20% off, so $20, normally $35. This fleece material is so good for kids. JDI hoodie right here, going for $30, normally $45. You get 20% off, so alright, so that'd be what, $24? I think I might go to the clearance store, buy some apparel at the clearance store. They just have a better selection. Like, this is it, and then nothing else really on sale for kids. It's like kind of mediocre, dude. All right, back to men's apparel. Let's go see what's going on over here. Couple clearance racks. Okay, actually 4. But anything good? That's the question. Is this the really expensive? Yeah, this is the really expensive jacket. I think this is the one that retails for a hell of a lot. I forgot who it's a collab with. I don't know, but it's $2, I believe. It says $350 down to $2. I think one of the other outlets had that listed for like original price $600. I think. I don't know which is right. $250 for this, down to $250, same price. It's a running jacket, Jordan 23, $80 for this, down to $80. That is a size medium. Dang, they're not really giving out too many discounts. LeBron jacket right here. $250 down to $2. Yeah, not discounts are kind of mediocre, yo. All right, we've seen these on sale at a bunch of places. $179. Dang. Does say originally $400, but I swear we've seen that for cheaper. Okay, Grizzlies. Is this a practice jersey or is this, I don't know, $110 for that? Looks like a double XL. Then we got, we got an unmarked Kings jersey going for $110. And these are Swingman editions. That's a size medium. Toronto jersey. Is this what no number? Yeah, this is what no number as well. This is a pressed on $130 for that one. Nike shorts. You would think all the shorts are starting to go on sale because some are starting to wind down, right? Kids are already in school and stuff. Out here at least. Regular price for these, $60. That's kind of cool with the jersey material on the sides. Yeah, but that kind of ruins it for me. Yeah, $60. Goddamn. These are kind of interesting. Nike basketball shorts right here. They are dry fit. What they going for? What are they going for? $70. 70 down to 70. These are 85 down to 65. Some running shorts. Dude, is anything on sale? 60 down to 50. Some yoga pants or running pants. I don't know. Dude, we're not finding much. I'm gonna hit up some malls because we're just not finding much here. Not finding much. 100 down to 80 for that hoodie. That's a small. Boston Celtics shirt, 45 down to 45. Dang, we're not seeing discounts at all. 25 down to $17.50. One of the OG sneaker shirts right there. These are mediums. Whose jersey is this? Oh, Anthony Davis All-Star jersey. 120 down to 120. Okay, Brooklyn. It's a Irving jersey, Kyrie Irving jersey for 110. Westbrook, his old team. What did they go for? Still going for 110. Oh my god, y'all killing me with these prices. Dude, I think I'm done. Alright, here we go. $25 for those. Yeah, not really seeing much. Alright, at least you get 30% off that with the jacket, nothing. $50. I thought it was 50% off fleece. Or 20% off lease. I guess just those. Alright, whatever. We're out. Let's go. We're done. Alright guys, not the craziest clearance section, but that heat wall, not bad. I know you don't get that 20% off, but to be able to get dunks for retail, also to be able to get the Union dunks for retail. Remember, if you got it from Union, you have to pay an extra $30 for shipping or something. So that's kind of crazy. Look at that person. That person is struggling to park in. I hope you guys aren't one of those. Oh my goodness. I think, dude, just turn the camera. But yeah, not bad. Be able to get some of those dope things for retail. That is pretty dope. Because remember, just a little while ago, we couldn't find any of that stuff for nothing, you know. But we have to pay resale on all kinds of stuff. So yeah, that is pretty dope, dude. Pretty dope. Yes, they are still trying. Look at that. They're still trying. Funny. Hope that comes out because I can't really see the camera screen. I don't know if you guys can hear the car alarm going on in the background. This area is just nuts right now. But yeah, dope to be able to get stuff like that for retail. The clearance section, not the craziest. Also, the aisles, not the craziest, but you know how it is. The Nike Outlet is very up and down, very up and down. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna post what they had here on Instagram, so you guys can try to get your hands on them ASAP. Pretty nice. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if the Nike outlets get a little bit hotter, get a little bit more stuff. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go head out to some malls. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the That person couldn't park right there? Oh my god. That person couldn't park right there. But yeah, make sure you guys help her boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell, because I do drop tons and tons of videos. This outro was freaking hilarious. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.